Wellness Wheel. With private label rights. Improve your health, improve your life by learning all the secrets of Wellness Wheel. A comprehensive guide that will help your audience to learn how to ensure adequate wellness, to attain a more enriching lifestyle. As Wellness Wheel is a holistic model that leads to a more successful existence. In other words, this is your ticket to get yourself on the path of success, profits, and long-term customers. We provide expertise for you, so you don't have to. This is a shortcut to take out all the hard work and have your very own product ready to sell and build your list in a matter of minutes. Both online and offline marketers can make a killing using this miraculous info product. Time-sensitive opportunity. Grab your copy now. Click the first link in the description below to order the product from the official website. Who will be your target audience for this package? People who want to leverage the potential of the wellness industry. Couples who wish to pull off a better lifestyle. Women from the age of 25-40 have a higher tendency to attain wellness. Health coaches who want to keep their clients healthy with optimum wellness. Wellness experts who want to establish themselves as an authority in their niche. Families who want to look after themselves and their loved ones in these challenging times. Health-conscious consumers who focus on maintaining a high quality of life. Overall, this product is for everyone who wants the best formula to fuel their growth and development and wants to lead a stress-free life through wellness. This course covers: learn all about Wellness Wheel, how to ensure a high-quality life. Find out why is it important for people to pursue Wellness Wheel. Reasons why Wellness Wheel is so important. Explore all about the Wellness Wheel. Find out everything about common wellness problems. Discover the best wellness programs. Do they need them? Learn more about the dimensions of Wellness Wheel. Find out all about the ways to conquer stress levels. Discover unhealthy life patterns. Learn the warning signs. Find out all about how to make better life choices. And so much more. In fact, because of these, most aspiring marketers give up even before they start. And you know you have to make your own product if you want to make the kind of money you want online. But with all those obstacles, it's hard enough just to make your first penny online. What if you could skip all those hardships and shortcut your way into having a ready-to-go product that you could sell as your own? Let's unfold the value-packed modules you are going to get in this Wellness Wheel PLR package. Module 1, Premier Guide on Wellness Wheel. A resource for marketers. This guide contains excellent wellness tips and healthy lifestyle plans for people to help them lead a better lifestyle and ward off physical and mental illness. Based on extensive research and advice from the experts in the industry to enable you to deliver massive value and get high-paying, long-term customers. Module number 2, Well-Designed Sales Page Copy. This professional sales page copy can get huge sales rolling in as part of your front-end sales drive. Module 3, Customer Sales Video. We are providing 2 types of videos with this package. 1. Updated doodle-style video. 2. Engaging whiteboard video. Both will help you to drive traffic and improve your sales conversions. That is the reason we are giving you these videos as a part of the front-end offer to boost your sales to the next level. Module 4, Professionally Designed Graphics. We will provide you with a complete set of professionally designed graphics for selling the product. It will include necessary artwork to sell the product and make it more convincing. You will be able to edit these graphics at your convenience. Hence, we will provide the images in both PSD format and PNG format. Module 5, Animated Banners. Why create banners yourself when our team is working hard to make it easy for you? Yes, we also provide you with superbly designed animated banners that will drive traffic and convert sales instantly. Module 6, Professionally Created Expert Email Templates. This module provides you with professionally written email swipes that will substantially leverage your sales and earnings. You can always choose any one of them, pick a subject line and send it to Persuade further. Module 7, Professionalize it. What more can you ask? And we have already done that for you. Yes, we have professionally designed the sales pages to use them for your sales funnel. You do not have to invest your time and energy in hiring professionals or writing on your own. These templates are ready to use to improvise your sales. Module 8, Legal Pages. Your legal pages for selling this product is already set up and provided by us. Module 9, Social Media Graphics. You can save your time and money by using these social media covers, graphics, and profile pic images we have created explicitly for Facebook, Google, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Module 10, PDF Graphics. We have also included images and graphics used in the training guide with PSD files, making it easier for you to use them for your sales funnel and improve sales. Click the first link in the description below to order the product from the official website, and after that just send me the screenshot of your purchase to my Instagram. The link is below. Then I will send you the bonuses. Free video courses and book courses on how to make money online.